Colorado State University, Online Biomanufacturing and Biotechnology. PSM designed to launch or accelerate careers in the fast-growing biosciences industry. This program delivers a powerful combination of technical knowledge and business acumen to help you advance in the biotechnology field. With a focus on real-world application, this program replaces the traditional thesis with a 6-month internship that gives students first-hand experience. Course topics include upstream and downstream bioprocessing, cell and tissue engineering, business and leadership in biosciences, bioprocess design and bioseparations, molecular genetics. Career opportunities include bioprocess engineer, cell and tissue engineer, biotechnology product manager, downstream process engineer, regulatory affairs specialist. Study online in a flexible program. 85% of CSU grads secure a job related to their career plans within 6 months of graduation. A+, more than 9 out of 10 Rams would select CSUOU again. Apply today online.colastate.edu. Colorado State University Online.